everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today I will show you how to add an employee from another business. Adding an employee allows you to easily sync their profile and gather information that was added from an existing profile. This is perfect for businesses with multiple locations or employees who work at multiple businesses. They can seamlessly control their calendar for both businesses. Let me show you how it works. We will first hover over Settings, and in the drop-down, hover over Employees. In the final drop-down, we'll click into the Employee Profile section. Once loaded, we will click into Add Employee. To add an existing employee, you will need the same email address that they are currently using within Vagaro. I will quickly add in the first and last name of my employee and email. Since this employee has used Vagaro for another business, I will bypass some of the additional details as these can be adjusted later on. Once I hit Next at the bottom of the screen, an additional pop-up should appear stating that an existing profile has been found. Canceling from this screen will require you to input a new email address not attached to an existing profile. Next, our employee that we are adding will need to input their password to proceed. Once done, we will be able to review the profile and see additional information that was copied from the original profile, like their photo and even their bio. We will click Continue and finish building the profile. For login information, a majority of the fields will be copied over from the original profile. We will still need to select an employee type and access level that is specific to our business. I will go ahead and create an admin profile. I'll also bypass adding a calendar for this specific employee too. Once saved, the profile will be immediately added to the account. Now let's go ahead and add a service provider from another business. In the employee screen, we will want to follow the same steps as before. We will enter the name and email and save to generate the pop-up. I will go ahead and enter the employee's password. As we could see, the profile and the bio has successfully been copied over. The next page, we will set the employee type and access level, since a majority of the fields already copied over from the existing profile. Once done, we will hit Next and agree to the additional license and move into the next step of enabling services. I will see my existing service and class menu. From here, we could select the services as needed, depending on what they perform. On the final step, you can adjust hours as needed. For my employee, she does split her time between this salon and another, so I will only enable hours for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. This will allow me to prevent any double bookings for my employee. Once confirmed, I will be able to see my updated employee list with my new service provider. For my service provider, since she is linked into two separate businesses, she can simply log into Vagaro and be presented with a screen to log into either business. Once she does select her business that she's logging into, she can manage a calendar specific to that location. If needed, she can switch back and forth between them by clicking the business name on the top right. Adding an employee from another business allows you to reduce time setting up their profile and allows them to retain their information from their existing profile. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.